In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom GPT actions with Zapier. This is an exciting way to automate workflows using AI, and it opens up a lot of opportunities for streamlining your tasks. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Zapier website. If you're not familiar with Zapier, it's a powerful automation tool that links together different apps, allowing them to communicate seamlessly. Once you're on Zapier's homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up. It's a quick process and definitely worth the few minutes it takes. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Zapier home screen. This is where you manage your Zaps, which is what Zapier calls its automated workflows. From here, we're going to navigate to the Zaps section. This is the hub for all the Zaps you've created or are in the process of creating. Now, let's go ahead and create a new Zap. By clicking on the Create Zap button, you'll be guided into the Zap editor. This is where the magic happens. This interface allows you to set up triggers and actions in a very streamlined way. Your next step inside the Zap editor is to add a new step. Go ahead and click on Add Step. Feel free to take a moment here to consider what you're trying to achieve with your automation. Adding thoughtful steps can really make the difference between a basic workflow and an impactful one. Next, in the search bar, type in ChatGPT. Even if you're familiar with other AI applications, ChatGPT integrates uniquely with Zapier, allowing you to access conversational AI in your workflows. Once you've found ChatGPT, click on it to add it to your Zap. Now, you need to select what type of event you want ChatGPT to perform. Let's choose Conversation from the list of available events. This selection is crucial, as it determines what kind of interaction you're setting up. Conversations are a fantastic option because they allow for dynamic interactions that can respond to various prompts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up a basic workflow with ChatGPT in Zapier, paving the way for more complex and integrated automations. I encourage you to explore further from here. Experiment with different triggers and actions, and see how other apps you use daily can fit into these automation scenarios. Thanks for following along with me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and are now feeling confident in creating your own custom GPT actions with Zapier. Stay curious and happy automating.